This is one of my favorite devices for healing. This is a red light therapy, a near infrared light therapy device. This is called the Kineon. My name is Dr. Eric Broadworth. I am a doctor of physical therapy and CEO of Fuel Health and Wellness in Grand Rapids, Michigan. And I'm gonna go over why I love the Kineon for anyone dealing with tendinitis, tendon issues, ligament issues, post-surgical repair, arthritis, chronic pain and inflammation, joint pain, muscle pain, anything like that. This thing is pretty amazing. So what's great about this device is several things. So number one, the Kineon device is a red light therapy and laser therapy device. It uses 650 nanometer wavelength, which is red light, and 808 nanometer wavelength, which is done by a laser. That 808 nanometer is a near infrared wavelength. That wavelength especially is going to penetrate deeper. So the 650 is going to act more surface level, and then the 808 is going to go deeper into the tissue. And so I love that it combines the two. And what I love is that it is so portable and that there are all these different uses for it. So there are thousands of studies on red and near infrared light, and photobiomodulation is the scientific term for it, and all the uses. And so Kineon has really specialized in using these wavelengths for healing, for muscle and tendon and joint issues especially. So if you have any joint issues, this is something you should look into. And as a physical therapist, I'll even recommend my patients get these and use it as a part of their home program to help speed up healing. The nice thing about this device is all you really have to do is there's buttons on the back, and when you push it, they link up and turn on. And typically they all connect and turn on together. So this is it on. And what you do is you can press and hold for a second and a half, and that second and a half will change. There's 5, 10, and 15-minute protocols. And so the Kineon has all sorts of different protocols depending on what you're using it for, but you simply use this strap and you can put it around your knee like so and strap it, and it'll stay right there working on your knee. You can put it on over your shoulder, hook it up, obviously. So I'm wearing a shirt right now. It's not gonna go through clothes. You're gonna want to remove any clothing, but you can use it on your shoulder. You can use it around your neck if you have neck pain. There's a larger strap for back. So if you want to put it on your back, you can use it for plantar fasciitis. It's great for putting it on the bottom of your foot. So you can really use this device anywhere on the body, and it is very safe, very effective. And so elbow pain, really good if you have a lateral myelitis, so any tennis elbow, golfer's elbow, that kind of thing, you can use that directly on there. And so these straps, they do loosen, and so you can loosen it, tighten it, depending on how big your joint is or the area of the body that you want to use is. But if you're dealing with, again, any inflammation issues, joint pain, highly recommend using the Kineon device for those issues. Now, if you're watching this video, I do have a discounted rate that you can get this device for. Simply click the link in the description below and you can go there and click on that and you can get a little bit of a discount on these devices. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please put in the comments below and I'll be happy to answer those.